Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a brief little tutorial where you can get more newspapers. I am still on the search periodicals and databases. I'm going to scroll down under articles on multiple subjects and I'm going to go to the Los Angeles Times and click on that. Now we have two Los Angeles Times databases. One is historical, which is great if you are doing any kind of research from 1881 to 1992. I remember helping a student. We were looking for articles on the Zoot suit. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but we found a lot of great articles. So this is actually really fun to look at. And then here's the Los Angeles Times, the current one. So here is just the regular search bar. So you're going to have to type in your ands, your ors, and your nots. So I just typed in my basic search of bullying and high school students. I got 693 results. You can sort by relevance. The most recent, you can click on those and they'll be up at the top of the list. Always click on full text. There is the date range. Let's see here. So you can just click on enter a date range and then put your dates in there. And I just put in the year because you can put in a specific date if you know a specific date, but sometimes I just think the year is fine. And then update it. And then there's other filters on here too. You can change the language. Some that only says English, but sometimes you can change that. Subject, students bullying in school districts, secondary schools. I could go more into any one of those areas. And then let's see, location, California, Los Angeles. I could pick a specific region. And then you can just scroll until you find something that interests you. Up here is where you can send a site. Let's see, this one's the site. So let's just click on this top one right here. And then here's the email citation. You can save it as a PDF or you can print it. Here's the full text. Here's details. And then, yeah, if I just wanted to email it to myself, I would click that, type in my email, and then do the citation style of MLA. So this is another great resource to get your newspapers from. So you have Academic Search Complete, which has peer-reviewed magazines and newspapers. You have JSTOR that just has mostly peer-reviewed. And then you have Opposing Viewpoints that has peer-reviewed magazines, newspapers. And then you have this Los Angeles Times that will just have newspapers. So I think you guys are pretty much covered on this assignment to get your 5 resources. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'm here for you guys. I can help you out. If you need a refresher again on Boolean operators and how to search, go back to week 3 and go over the pages in that module and the tutorial that I made there, and that will help you. If not, I'm here. Email me.